Hey folks, I'm back. Now comes the tricky part. We need to learn how to put this thing together now that we've made all our parts. So I'm just going to be setting it down on the table like this, and we'll just take it one stage at a time. You're going to be learning a few new tools along the way, and hopefully things will go well for us. So let's begin this with just getting rid of Yahoo. That would be the smartest thing. So there he goes. I'm going to move me out of the way. I don't think I need to. Well, I do. Let me just real quickly. So our first two pieces that we're going to put together are going to be the blue and the red. And this is a little bit different than for those of you that maybe used Inventor last year. And then there's also, nobody, some of you don't even know what I'm talking about. So anyhow, this will be a little bit different. And for us to get started, we need to go here to get file, and we need to insert. And now I'm going to go to my drive, and I am going to need to get in my DM Google SketchUp folder. So I'm going to double click that so I can look at the pieces. And I want to start out using the red piece. So I'm looking for PC red. I'm going to start by just getting that into my screen, and it comes in, it's very tiny, so I'm just gonna put it down in its place at origin. And now we're gonna do a zoom extends on that one also. So here we go. Ooh, that's magnificently big. So I'm going to come down here to get this zoom tool, and I want to zoom this out. Now I'm going to move it into here, and that should be good for now. So what we're going to end up doing now is we need to rotate this piece, and this here gets a little bit tricky, and I'm going to tell you right off the bat, I am kind of new to this making assembly stuff, so we may stumble around here a little bit, but once we get it figured out, we'll get going on it. So right here above our tape measure is a button where we have move, rotate, and this is scale. So what I want to do is rotate this. Now you can see a protractor. And if I put my protractor on the top surface, it is a blue protractor. If I put it over here on the right side, it is a red protractor. And if I put it on the front, it is a green protractor. Now, what we want to make sure of is that we are putting this on the surface. Okay? So I'm on the surface. I am going to just click one time, and I'm going to drag this line out. And I want to make sure that the line is staying parallel with the bottom line. That is a solid red. So we want solid red and a dotted red. And then I'm going to click one time, and now I'm going to start moving this. And if you look over, oops, that direction. Nope, that's not it. This way. You can see that the angle is changing as I move this. We are going to type in 90 degrees. Everything we're going to be doing is going to be moving in either 80 degrees or not 80, 90 degrees or 180. So we're going to now need to, and this one gets a little bit tricky. I want to try to move this. So I'm going to move. So I click on that, and I want to try and move the object down that way. So I have this together there. And now I'm going to orbit this a little bit. And I also want to try and move it so that I can get this back portion right. Oops. There. Okay, so now I think if I go back to my orbit, I'm on the green, I'm on the blue here, on green, on red. So why don't you work at getting that positioned the way I have it, and then we'll go from there. So we've got this piece in, and now I'm gonna need to bring in the blue piece, and our blue piece is going to need to go together like that. So I don't recall exactly how we made the piece, but I'm moving me out of the way, and we're gonna go here, and we have to do another insert, and this time we want to insert the blue piece. So I'm going to open up my folder, and I am going to select the blue piece, and there it is. And I'm just going to go ahead and place it right about there. That's fine. And if I show you, I'm going to try and do this so it's like the way you're looking at it. I think it would have to go like this. We have to get, let me move this. We have to get this piece, that upright, that pillar, so to speak, we have to turn that around. So again, we need to rotate. So I'm going to grab the rotate tool. I'm going to rotate this. I'm going to put it on top here. Again, I am going to extend my line. I want it to be red. Again, if you look at it, the red line, I'm not even going to try. The red line should be parallel with the red line. The dotted red line should be parallel with the other one. And so I've dragged it out. I'm going to click one time. I'm going to start rotating. And this time we are going to enter right down here, 180 degrees. Okay. Now I'm going to come back over here where our rotate tool was. And now we're going to be needing to move this. And when we move, I know that I need this corner. There's a lot of different ways I can do this. I need this corner and that corner to match up. Or I can get this corner to match up with that corner. But sometimes this is a little tricky. And we'll see how this goes. It shouldn't be too bad because we're on the bottom plane, so I think we'll be okay. So I'm just going to click on that spot and move it. And I need to get it right up to where it needs to go. I believe I have that. I am going to go to this select tool and then click on the screen. And I think we have it. I'm going to rotate this. Take a good look. Yeah, that looks good. And that looks good. So I'm going to just take this back to where it was. I'm going to pan this a little bit. And I noticed that we're not quite on these plane lines here. And I haven't quite figured out how to move that. I'm going to try something right now where I can select the whole object here and see if I can move it as one. I don't think that's doing it. I'm going to leave well enough alone. So what we're going to do is go up here. We are going to save. And we are going to name this PC Assembly. You don't know how to spell assembly? I just spelled it there for you. And then this is going to go into our DM Google SketchUp folder. And I think that this is enough work for the first day of assembly. And maybe next time we come back, we'll do 2 pieces. Don't forget that after this has saved, I would like for you to, you can just save it. I'm only going to have us put it on a slide at the very end. Okay? Anyhow, I am out of here and I will see you in our video, which I'm going to make right now. Later.